Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is Yoga for Healthy Breast. Let's begin. Sit down nice and tall. Inhale, bring both arms up, palm together. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, from belly button to the top. Turn your body slightly to your left. Inhale, exhale. Stay there to breathe. Make sure to keep your shoulders down, away from ears. And inhale, exhale back to center, release. Now let's change your legs. Different way. And inhale, bring arms up, palm together. And exhale, slightly twist your upper body to your right. Keep breathing. Always cultivate Ujjayi breath. In through the nose, out through the nose. And inhale, look toward the center. Exhale, bring your arms down. Let's kneel down and place your left palm down and right palm reaching opposite way and side stretch. Keep your shoulders down. Reach tip of your finger out and gaze up. And back to center. Let's do the opposite side. Right palm down. Left tip of your fingers. Reach. Keep your shoulders away from ear. The side of your body lengthen. Also, the muscle around your chest, your breast stretched out. And also, it is engaging. And back to center. Eagle pose. Hook your elbow one on the other and the palm together. This way. So I'm gonna show you from side. And try to bring the elbow up. Squeeze your shoulders in. Try to keep your elbows as high as you can, about your shoulder level. And about 5 breaths or so. And release. Okay, now opposite hand up. Okay, so hook your elbow, palm together, and elbow lifting up as high as you can, almost as high, same level as your shoulders. Squeeze your shoulders inward. Create space between shoulder blades. Your trapezius muscle is engaging, contracting right now. And release. Now interlace your hands behind, shoulder blades together, lift up your sternum, lift up your heart, open your chest and look up. Expand your chest, expand trapezius muscle, open. Sternum up, heart lifting up. And now look straight, release. Now, on your knee, tabletop pose, knee about your hip distance. And from here, reach your fingers, reach your hands forward, forward, forward. And try to bring your chest close to the mat, to the ground. Same time, tailbone really high up to the sky. And exhale. The fingertips reaching forward. And your chest, shoulder get close to the mat. And look straight. Breathe. And from here, let's straighten your knee. Let's take Sphinx pose. Forearm down. And elbows in. Hug your elbows in about your body length. And inhale, lengthen your spine, lengthen your neck. And shoulder blades together. Try to keep your chest open. And look up. 10 toes pressing down. And crown reaching opposite way to keep lengthen your spine, lengthen your neck. Shoulder blades together, lift up your heart, open your chest. And from here, bring your palms little close to your body, right underneath your shoulders. And hug your elbows in, inhale, exhale. Upper facing dog, Uba Mukha Svanasana. Take 5 deep breaths here. And if it's too much, you can bring your knees down. Make sure to keep your shoulders away from your shoulder blades together. Widen your collarbones. Open your chest. Lift up your heart. Lift up your sternum. And knees down, tuck your toes. Take downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Let's take 5 deep breaths, pranayama here. All 10 toes spread wide and down. Tailbone high up to the sky. Heels down. Chest bring closer to your thighs. And shoulders away from ears. Okay, now bring your knee close to your hand. And from here, kneel down. And one hand grab the heel. And if it is good, it's challenging, you can stay there, just reaching one hand or the other. Or if you want to have a bit more challenge, let's take camel pose. Ustrasana. Grab one heel. You can stay here or how you want. Take both heel out. And shoulder blades together. Lift up your heart. Open your chest. Widen your collarbones. Stay there. Breathe. And now slowly bring back to center. And kneel down. Hands heart center and bow to your palms. This sequence is designed to promote and maintain healthy breast. I recommend you do it as often as you need. Also, check out my other videos in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!